Question number 5, exercise 2, page 2, ellipse. If the line touches the ellipse, if the line touches this ellipse, so let the point of contact be P x1 y1. Then equation of tangent is given by t is equal to 0. So what will be tangent? 3x x1 plus 4y y1 is equal to 1. So now we will compare. So this equation 3x plus 4y is equal to minus under root 7. There are equation of the same line. So I have to find for x1, y1. So comparing the coefficient, x coefficient is how much? 3x1 upon 3 is equal to 4. y1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon minus under root 7. So 3 will cancel, this will cancel. So x is to minus 1 upon under root 7. y1 also minus 1 upon under root 7. So x1, y1 is 1 upon under root 7 minus 1 upon under root 7. So D option is correct. This was the point of contact. So thank you.